guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. So before getting into the makeup, let's just zoom in. So first we are going to complete our eye makeup, then we'll move on to the base. So for my eye makeup, first I'm going to apply a foundation. So the foundation I'm using is Lakme 9 to 5 Power Play Priming Foundation. So I'm not using any concealer because I'm out of it. So I've taken a small amount of foundation in my hand. I'm going to use my brush to apply it just on my eyelids. So this is going to be the base for the eyeshadow. After that, we are going to set it using a little bit of loose powder. So for loose powder, I'm using Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. So all the products that I'm using are my personal favorite and the products which I use on a regular basis. So I'll put the links in the description so you guys can go and check it out. So I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I know this one is a dupe because the original one cost around 5 to 6,000. या तो मेरे पास अंधा पैसा आ जाएगा तब उतने महंगे पैलेट्स यूज़ करूँगी, या तो I'll make work with this. It's a nice palette. Though it is a dupe, but the color payoff is so good and the pigments are wonderful. So first of all, for the transition shade, I'm going to be using Butter. Yeah, these are the shade names. So taking it a little bit on my brush and tapping off the excess. Now we're going to blend it into our eyelids. Also, this is a paint brush. I make work out of anything, guys. If it works, it works. I have eyeshadow brushes, but nothing works best than this. So for now, I'll work with this. Now after the transition shade, we're going to use the blue shade from this palette. It's called Twerk, a really nice name, and apply it on the lids. Like so, and same to the other eye. Like so. I know it looks a bit scary, but trust the process. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blue shade. Can you see? Such a pretty shade. I'm going to just tap it into the inner and outer corners to create this depth. So this is such a bold eye makeup that when I first did it on my eyes and no makeup on my face and just the eye makeup, it was looking a bit too much. So I recommend doing this only if you are doing a full face of makeup, if you understand what I mean and if it makes sense. So we're done with the inner and outer corners. Now what we're going to do is we'll take this nice shimmery shade, this one, it's called Obsessed, and take this and put this in the center of our lid, like so. You can see how it's coming together. This is such a pretty shade, guys, on itself. Now I'm going to use the same brush and pick a little bit of this shimmery shade and blend it with the outer corner and inner corners to make a smooth transition from this deep blue to, you know, I'll just blend all of this. I'll just blend the edges so nothing looks harsh. Looks good now. And now we are going to take a transition shade again. So this time I'm going to be using a mix of butter and Pukey of the excess, then kind of blend it in my crease line. It's looking good. So when I did this makeup, it was looking off at first, but when I did my whole face, it looked good. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take this shade, this darker brown shade, a mix of these two. The shades are Soda Pop and Central Park. Mix it. Also mix this black just a little bit, and I'm going to be creating a nice smoky effect near the lash line. So let me just zoom in. Yeah. Now on the lash line, guys. You see this smoke effect? That's what I was talking about. Let's do it. And again, going on with a little bit of Obsessed. Just blending it in. So this is the eye makeup. So this is the eye makeup for now. Before we do anything more to the eyes, we are going to do our full face first. So let's do our base makeup. So for my base makeup, I'm going to be using same foundation, a really light layer I'm going to be using. Oh shit, no. Before you go on with your foundation, remove the fallouts, guys. So just take any micellar water, any cotton cloth, and just rub it. So with these eye makeup, usually what happens, the eye products and the eyeshadows tend to fall on your cheeks and face. So before moving on with your foundation, try using a micellar water and rubbing the excess off. Looks much cleaner than this. And now we can start off with the face makeup. So we have our foundation on a brush and lightly all over the face. Bro, the shade looks a bit off right now, but trust me, it will oxidize into a beautiful shade. This is my shade only, but it looks like this at first. So now we are going to apply blush. So for blush, I'm using Insight blusher in the shade 05 Strawberry Drip. I know it's looking a lot right now, but trust me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some foundation and using a brush, I'm going to take the foundation and apply it on the inner. I'm gलत चीज़ use करता हूँ. I'm going to be using my finger. Take the foundation a little bit, just apply it in the inner corner, as in you do your concealer. I don't have concealer. Then blend it. A little bit of blush on the chin as well, and a little on the nose to add color to your face. So yeah, now we're going to set it. Guys, 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 this might look funny right now. It's not a lot of difference, but it is. So I suggest you guys to apply a foundation in your neck as well and set it with a powder, because it does not look good. I did it on the day of the shoot, but today I'm not doing it because the weather is so bad right now. It's so hot in Bokaro, and I don't want to just apply it here and let sweat melt away everything. Arey yaar. So I'm just shooting this video to show you off how I did my makeup on the day of the shoot. So I'm not doing it today. You guys just see the face makeup and be happy. Please be mindful and do your neck as well if you're doing it. Now that everything is done, I'm going to be going on with the brown shade Soda Pop in a smaller tip brush and use it on my lower lash line. Create this nice dimension only on the outer corners, like so. Looks good. Now we're going to curl our lashes, so we are using a eyelash curler. I did not use any eyeliner that day as well, because this eye look in itself is so bold that it does not require eyeliner. You can go on and use an eyeliner, it's upon your preference, but I just did not use it. So after curling my eyelash, I'm going to be using my favorite mascara, Mars Double Trouble mascara. This mascara has saved my looks. Like, I know this is such a trap or a customer trap. They say that it's a two-end thing, but we are going to rant about it another day. And you guys won't believe, but I've received a lot of compliments on my eyelashes. Super excited to finally show you this, that I use this. Yeah. So I'm going to be using step 1 this length wand because it looks really good. Let me just show you. Wow, the sun's looking good. Can you see? It looks so beautiful, right? Also apply it on your lower lashes. Looks really good. Okay, so the sun's out and this is how the eye makeup looks. I'll take same Obsessed shade and apply it on my inner corners. A little bit under the brows. I don't use any eyebrow products, so I'll just wipe off any product if it's there. Also, I'm not going to use any highlighter because these days I'm not using highlighter. Okay, so now we're going to do our lips. For lips, we are going to first line our lips. This is just a store-bought lip liner in a brown shade. So I will just line my lips. Now we'll blend it using our finger. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to be using Mars Creamy Matte Lipstick. It's also one of my favorites. It's in the shade 02 Zesty Zumba. Really little bit of this. So now our makeup is done, and to set it all, I'm going to be using Makeup Fixer from Swiss Beauty. So you see, this provides a really nice glow. That's why I don't use any highlighter stuff. Yeah, this is the makeup. And that's it for this video. I'm melting right now, as you can see. And that's it for this look. I hope you found it helpful and easy to recreate. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do comment down how it looks. It's done. भाई बहुत धूप है.